Good morning, it's Frank from CappThesis. Let's look at some points from today's morning trends piece entitled "What Hitting the Latest Pattern Target Means." And of course, we're talking about the S&P 500 hitting 4,300 yesterday. And so this has been an important target to keep in mind because this was caused by the breakout that we saw on the very last day of the first quarter on March 31st. It was tested in April, it was tested in May, held twice, and then extension from that point hit 4,300. And as this states here, we've now seen two bullish targets acquired in 2023 for the first time since 21. It's very important. Now, the last one was here, obviously much smaller in nature, but important nonetheless, because this was in January and the same type of action happened, right? We had the breakout early on in the month, tested immediately, tested it again 2 weeks later, and then off to the races we went until hitting that top near 4,200 in February. And again, having two successful patterns happen, just two of them maybe sound kind of strange because we know what's happened in 2023 so far, but really what's been going on up to this point is that you have this two-way volatility, which sometimes prevents breakouts from really working successfully, meaning that, for instance, if you bought the breakout here in mid-October, it would have been stopped out immediately because of the pullback that occurred. And so what's changed in 2023 is the volatility, of course, has come in, which means that breakout points have held better. And quite simply, it just means, as we wrote here, it's significant because that means that traders are eager to buy a dip despite a preceding strong move, meaning that we don't have to buy in weakness anymore, at least up to this point, right? And that, again, was undeniably a missing part of what happened in 2022. Just as important for an uptrend is the lack of successful bearish patterns. And a number of them have appeared so far in 2023, but the vast majority have failed. Most recently, this last one here, where we saw the potential for a topping setup to occur, but with the strong rally, that was negated again. And so we need to see both continue going forward, right? We need to see bullish patterns continue to work, bearish patterns continue to fail. Again, quite simple, but very important. Talk to you soon. Thank you.